Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about top 5 programming language you should learn to get 6-digit income. If you have not subscribed our channel till yet, please subscribe it to never miss an update. I have indexed the programming language on the basis of 5 categories. How much time it will take to learn, how much you will earn after learning it, how productive it is, its framework, and its market demand. On number 5 is PHP. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. It is widely used open source scripting language for making dynamic and interactive web pages. The syntax of PHP is very easy to learn. If you want to go in the field of web development, PHP is the way to build your career. In India, the average annual income of PHP developer is between 5 to 6 lakh rupees, and in US is $80 to $90,000. PHP have useful frameworks like Laravel, Jan, etc., which helps to build app and website faster. PHP is used by 80% of the software companies. Companies like Facebook, WhatsApp use PHP for their backends. On number 4 is Java. It is a simple programming language that enforces object-oriented programming model. It is mostly used for software development. The code of Java is simple and easy. It is platform independent that follows write once, run anywhere motto. The average annual package of Java developer is between 6 to 7 lakhs in India and $95 to $105,000 in UK. The major Java frameworks are Spring and Hibernate, which are very useful. Java have huge demand in software world. Nowadays, any application is incomplete without its mobile version. Majority of these mobile phones support Android as operating system. Android development is not possible without Java, and that's why Java is dominating. Companies like Airbnb, eBay, Pinterest use Java. On number 3 is Kotlin. Kotlin is the new member of programming world. Though Java is more popular than Kotlin, but it will be replaced by Kotlin in few years. Google has announced Kotlin as official language for Android development, and that's the reason behind its fame. The average annual package of Kotlin developer is 6 to 7 lakhs in India and 100 to 110,000 in USA. The major frameworks of Kotlin are Kotlin Android extensions and RX Kotlin. Companies like Coursera, Uber are using Kotlin as its developing language. On number 2 is JavaScript. It is a very incredible programming language. If you are going to do web development, you probably have to learn JavaScript. JavaScript is easy to learn and is supported by all browsers. A JavaScript developer earns an average yearly salary of 7 to 8 lakhs rupees in India and 110 to 120,000 rupees in USA. AngularJS and jQuery are some famous frameworks of JavaScript. JavaScript is used by most of the tech giant companies. It is used by people to design their front end. Netflix uses JavaScript for better user interface. Other companies like Facebook, Google, Walmart is using JavaScript. The Gmail web client is powered with JavaScript. I think you all have guessed the number 1 programming language. You all have guessed right. It is Python. The easy syntax, object-oriented programming model, huge library support, and multiple career opportunities are the reasons that have placed Python on the top of programming language. You can do almost everything with the help of Python. Python is also helpful in AWS, Linux development, cybersecurity, cloud computing, machine learning, and artificial intelligence domain. Python developer earns 9 to 10 lakhs rupees in India and 115 to 125,000 dollars in USA. The popular Python frameworks are Django and Flask. It is used by most of the industries like Google, Dropbox, Netflix, NSA, and NASA. NASA used it for scientific calculation, whereas NSA used it for cybersecurity analysis and encryption and decryption. In Netflix, it is used for machine learning. In Dropbox, the server and client applications are coded with using Python. In Google, Python is used for better search result and provide based on the ranking of website and much more. There are some more programming language like Swift, SQL, Arduino, Julia, Ruby, Rust, which are not included in the list but are in demand. If you think we have missed something in the list, then please comment the name below. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.